Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check whether your Mercedes offers Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and confirm the infotainment software is current. Next, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the car and phone, and turn on mobile data so Waze can stream maps. Once done, open Waze and sign in. Make sure location permissions and background app refresh are allowed. Now, select the car's media or phone pairing menu. You're ready to initiate the actual connection step. You now connect. Plug a certified USB cable into the car's port for the most reliable CarPlay or Android Auto session, or choose wireless pairing if your model supports it. On your phone, accept the prompt that allows CarPlay or Android Auto to run. On the car screen, accept permissions too. Once mirrored, open Waze from the car display. If it doesn't appear, make sure Waze is allowed as a navigation app in Android Auto settings or set as default navigation on iPhone. Finish by checking audio routing so voice directions play through the car speakers rather than the phone. Change settings in the phone's Bluetooth or CarPlay/Android Auto menu. If Waze does not show, restart both phone and the infotainment system, then reconnect using a USB cable to rule out wireless issues. Make sure phone OS, Waze, and the car's firmware are updated. If problems persist, clear Waze cache or reauthorize app permissions. This resolves most projection or audio problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.